If you are someone who has chronic foot pain and you suffer with bunions, I've got some great techniques for you to help to relieve that bunion pain easily. Now we know that by wearing tight, ill-fitting shoes, this is one of the most common causes for developing bunions because it can cause your toes to be in the wrong position. Over time, certainly this can get worse. Now, we also know, according to traditional Chinese medicine, that toxicity in the liver meridian can also be implicated in developing bunions. So we know that the symptoms of having that bunion is having that bulging bump on the outside of the base of your big toe. There could be a lot of swelling and redness and soreness around that joint and a loss of motion as well. Some people will actually develop some corns and calluses in this area as that tissue is rubbing either against the shoes or against the other toes as well. And this can be pain that is once in a while or it is ongoing and very debilitating. It does, of course, have an influence on the types of shoes that you can wear, and certainly the wider the shoe, it's going to be more comfortable for you. But the great news is I've got some great techniques for you to help with those bunions, and more importantly, as a preventative for bunions as well, especially as you're aging. You don't want to ever develop them, but if you do have them, this will help as well. So the first technique is a massage technique, and borrowing again the wisdom from traditional Chinese medicine, we're on the liver meridian. So to find this point called liver 3, you're going to go between your big toe and the second toe and just slide your finger along until it stops. And that is in that little V area, that is liver 3. And just do a little massage motion here. It may ache a little bit, but that is fantastic for helping with the bunion pain. The other thing you can do is actually push a little bit towards, if you do have a bunion here, you're going to push towards that bunion on that liver 3 point and just hold it and allow for that energy, that qi, to flow properly. So the next technique is using an exercise band, and it's one of these stretchy bands, which I love for exercise as well, but you're going to put this around your toe. So if you do have bunions or you're wanting to prevent them, then this is a great thing to do. So you're going to affix that band around your big toe, as so. And then with your other foot, you're gently going to put your foot through the other side of the band. And then with that motion now, you're going to gently stretch your toe in that opposite direction, so away from your other toes, and doing this very gently. You can also do this in a squatting position, so actually standing up and squatting and doing this at the same time. So a new variation, if you do practice squats, this is a great thing to do for your bunion pain, and that's something that I want you to practice. You can do 10 repetitions a couple times a day. This will go a long way to help with your bunion pain and relieve that bunion pain easily in the comfort of your own home. And again, more on the preventative standpoint as well. Very, very important as you are aging. Now, for other natural ways to deal with pain, please check out my video, Top 10 Natural Painkillers That Can Help You to Deal with Pain. I'll see you there.